what I think can work for us is let's have a negotiation of both sides.
Yes.
If someone is failing and is not having money, we can have one way out. And there are those of us who have at least families which can be able to help us, but once we are in Kampala. So we can have a gauge of which side. If we are to take us to Kampala, how many are we going? If you can favor us, we'll be handled by the government from the other side of Kampala, whereby my family is able to reach me easily and give me some money.
Because like, for example, me, I'm having a family with me. My wife, my child is here. So I request the government at least let them fund for us accommodation, and then we pay food. Because right now it happened when we are not aware, we don't have money. At least the government can also put in a hand.
Sure that your lives are not in danger. Those of Ugandans are not in danger, and those of your families are not in danger. Kindly bear with us. We are working with the Minister for Health, the State Minister for Planning, David Bahati.
Challenge. The DHO is under instruction to bring any specialized treatment that you may want, but we can't let you go. You have to remain here for 14 days, but now they are not 14 from yesterday. So we are going to provide for your specialized meals as we monitor your situation. And above all, God is in control.